Do you know how in the automatic way to create a multi-matching result? For example, you just choose the country and you get all the players of that country. Of course, you can do it manually, where you just copying and pasting the results, but it's going to take so much time. So let's go. First of all, we are going to make data validation list. Select the cell where you want to appear all our countries and go to data. Then press to data validation, list, and select all the cells with our countries. Next step is to write our formula in the country cell. Equal, text join, quotes, comma, if we select the cells with our countries, equal, we select the cell with the player country, then we select the cells with our players, comma, quotes, and close the bars. As the result, choosing the countries, you get immediately the list of the players. Important thing, enjoy the video, put your like and subscribe.